All right, so we had a fresh one last night, had a boy. So we're gonna go load her up on the trailer. And then there's a heifer or two in the heifer lot that's starting to bag up that we need to move to the calving shed. So that's what we're gonna do here first today. All right, we're looking for $12.94. There she is. All right, come on, mama. Come on. Nice bag on her. She's been on here before. Don't even think about jumping that. Come on. There we go. Come on. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Mace. Get you little pets on camera.
We'll make him get bigger every time we see him.
Uh-huh.
Unlike the real Mace.
Mace. Over, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah, she'll be soon.
She'll be here next week.
Yep. Hi. Yeah, we'll be pulling it later. Sweet.
They go in between, I might lose.
They're gonna. Hey. Come on. Oh my gosh, it never goes this smooth.
Right?
And voila.
Down there too, along the building yet?
Uh-huh.
You gotta put it along here, this return lane on the outside.
Oh, yeah.
Where that big giant hole is, it's
Where it
freezing
keeps...
cold wind.
Yeah.
Alright, Robin.
And up at the parlor.
Oh, you're not playing? She does have a big bag.
Uh-huh. All right, got the little bucket here for the fresh cow to put that colostrum in for the little baby. All right, so up in the return lane we have a hole, and every time the wind whips through and you walk by, it's cold. So we're going to get this little piece of sheet metal here, take it up there, drill it in, just patch up the hole. Oh man, a little frozen. Whew. Yeah, we could have moved him by hand, but see, it was frozen in the ground. Needed a skid loader. Looks like we got a little helper.
Be careful, man. Me use tool.
It's really working though.
Anything can be a hammer if you believe it can. There you go.
Yeah, look at that. Good as new.
Yeah, why not?
But this is the hole we're fixing right here. All right, she's all patched up, folks. On to the next thing, which we don't know what we're gonna do. That took a lot shorter than we thought. All right, I'm gonna plug in the 205 here. My uncle's gonna use it, put some sand in the calf barn down there. And note to self for anybody, if you have the cord to plug her in the skid loader here, make sure you always put this cap on there, because one time it was off and it was touching the starter here, and all of a sudden I was smelling smoke behind me when I was scraping the barn, and man, there was smoke rolling out. Almost started a skid loader on fire. So also, I call it the cord, the skid loader, because at the time when I was talking to myself, I could not think about calling it the block heater. So I came down here to load a little bit of this pile up that we piled out from the heifer sheds. I come around the corner with the tractor and we got a baby out here. They're not supposed to have babies out here. Yeah, they're not supposed to have their babies in the dry cow pasture. Well, it looks pretty small. I would say it's a girl. All right, that's a big pile of poop. We're just gonna probably take 1 or 2 loads off today. So, got the spreader back here, and we're gonna get loading. Got a really little baby. You ain't the mom. Get out of here, sucker. That's the mom. All right, we're gonna go put the calf in the hut with some nice straw. Let her dry off, and then probably throw a calf blanket on her. All right, we're gonna put her on the calving side, and then we gotta take her up in a second. Probably not a second, but for you it'll be a second. Really tiny little calfie. We'll go get you some warm straw, buddy. Come on out, little buddy. There we go. That's a super tiny calf. Howdy, neighbor. All right, we're making this calfie nice and warm.
Yeah.
Put a little jacket on her. And we're gonna throw her in the hut with all that nice straw.
Okay. Oh, come on, guys. You sit up there. Right. Okay, go, you little sucker.
Well, since that one had a baby, had to get the truck out again. Take her up there to get milk tonight too. Oh, it's recording upside down.
Just your head.
Come on, buddy. Don't do nothing crazy now.
Nice and easy. Oh, man.
Oh, almost did a quick turn there.
Hey.
Come on.
Yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Dinner.
That'll make you hungry if you're eating.
Dinner later.
I don't think you should eat that. Wait. I don't think you should eat that.
They'll eat the placenta. They will. People do it. Not me, but people like Michael do.
Hey, not dumb. Everybody coming out to see the new mama. Little mama. Well, fit through here. Made it. Not even a problem. I'm skinny. Otherwise, I wouldn't have fit if I wasn't skinny. There we go. 1409. Second calf. So guys, that's my uncle's ice rink, and shout out to the Winslow Fire Department for coming to fill that thing, because just a hose from the house ain't gonna do it. That was a lot of water, and yeah, so those were just some clips of them filling that. So hopefully you guys like that. Maybe we'll get some videos of my little cousins skating around on that once it freezes. Tony. Oh yeah. Better ice than slice.